Now, viewers, as we speak, let's take you through a particular detailed analysis of what exactly seems to be the current situation in the Strait of Hormuz. This is the map which points out where exactly the Strait of Hormuz is located. As I was telling you, it's a narrow strip, 33 kilometers wide, but it accounts for 20% of the global oil supply, and that is why it makes it one of the most crucial energy choke points of the very world. Now, Iran declares that the strait is closed. It had come out to declare this in the very second day of the war, that the Strait of Hormuz has been shut, and Iran threatens to attack tankers violating the blockade here in this particular region. However, what exactly comes out of the situation is the United States now stepping in and intervening in the entire matter, saying that we will be offering protection, we will be giving insurance to shipping companies if required, ships that are stranded there if required, but the Strait of Hormuz is not shut, and you continue to, in fact, taking energy supplies through this very trade route. That's what the US has come out to confirm, or rather assure at this point of time, one may say, because Iran is bent at this point to shut the Strait of Hormuz down, because it understands the kind of leverage it can in fact gain by making a claim of this sort, not just a claim, but actually in fact acting upon those very claims of attacking tankers that violate the blockade. But if that does indeed happen, that will in fact not just intensify the current war that is underway, but also result in a major energy crisis across the world. 20% of global oil supply is what we're looking at here, viewers. In fact, 20% is the rough percentage that we're giving to you. It is a little more than that. It's over 20% of global oil supply that we know of.